Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to do a mix and bake chocolate cake using the Ninja Foodi. So this morning I was a little bored and I was wondering to myself, hey, I wonder if I can mix and bake a cake inside of the Ninja Foodi insert. The insert is super non-stick, so I was just wondering if that would work. And you have less dishes if you want to have a cake really quick and you just want to bake it in the Foodi. You don't need to have a mixing bowl or anything, you just do it right inside. So that's what I did. I took a box mix of chocolate cake, I added in the ingredients that the box called for, and I mixed it directly in the insert. I then closed the lid and I set it to bake at 350 per the box instructions for 30 minutes. Halfway through the cooking time, I went ahead and checked the progress of the cake, and it looked like it was coming along pretty well. I went ahead and touched on the top, and it was still pretty liquidy in the middle. So I went ahead and turned the temperature down to 325. I actually normally bake at 325 all the time in my oven, so I should have just done that from the beginning, but whatever. So with about 5 minutes left, I checked the cake again. It was firming up, so I went ahead and put a skewer in the middle. It was a tad bit wet, so what I did was I reduced the temperature to 300 and then I set it for 10 minutes. So I think the total cook time was about 35 minutes. And this is what it looked like when the cake was all done. The skewer came out clean and it felt, nice and moist and everything. So I removed the insert. Now I should have let this cake cool for like at least 10 minutes before trying to flip it out, but I was excited because I'm like, is it gonna come out? And it definitely came out, but because it was so hot, one of the sides actually kind of popped off or fell off, and then there was just a little bit of cake crumbs at the bottom. So I honestly feel like if I would have let the cake cool in the insert for about 10 minutes before flipping it out, I would have had better results. But how cool is it that it came out? And then as you can see here, there's no cake stuck to the bottom. That comes right off. This insert is amazingly non-stick. So I just dusted it with some powdered sugar because I didn't have any frosting because this was just really impromptu. But anyways, I dusted it with some not brown sugar, powdered sugar. And next time I do this, I will just go ahead and bake at 325 for about 30 minutes. So anyways, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel and it's greatly appreciated. And if you're here and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and click that button and tap that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. As always, thanks so much for watching, and remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye!